Hi YouTube, it's the Aussie Super Treasure Hunter here, and I've been lucky enough to get myself a K case. This is the International box code 99A, case code K, MZ box code. Let's not wait, fingers crossed, hopefully we get a super. Let's just dive in and see what we've got in the International K case, which will be coming to your stores, or coming to a store near you anytime soon. So here we go, fingers crossed guys, fingers crossed. Alrighty, so the first cars we have the Exotic, part of the Exotics series, car number 10 of 10. Blue car, not too bad actually for a fantasy car. Next car we have is an X-Steam. Waste of time if you ask me. Super Chrome car number 6 of 10. Next car we have the Justice League Batmobile, part of the Batman series, car number 1 of 5. Next car we have is the Beetle, car number 10 of 10, part of the Street Beat series, in the new colour in the pink. Not too bad, I didn't mind the first one, I like that pink one a little bit better I think, not that it matters. Next we have a custom 15 Ford Mustang, part of the Then and Now series, car number 9 of 10. Wonder if they're going to do the Then car in purple too. Next we have a white 2015 Ford Mustang GT, part of the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series, car number 4 of 10. Next car is the Mad Props Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 4 of 5. Still no number on this one, people. So that's all the treasure hunter's going to be spewing about that. Oh yes. Alright, we've got the Lamborghini Countach Pace car, part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series, car number 9 of 10. Everyone's going to be after that one. Beautiful. We have a 17 Ford GT, part of the Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 8 of 10. In that beautiful red colour now. That's good, another red colour. Next we have, the Super from the J case, but it's a regular. It's the 52 Chevy, part of the Hot Wheels Metro series, car number 4 of 10. That's been popular too, haven't seen many of them around. Next we have an Altered Ego, part of the Hot Wheels Art cars, car number 4 of 10. Next we have the recolor of the 69 Dodge Coronet Super B, part of the Hot Wheels Flame series, car number 7 of 10. Let's try and get through this case as quick as we can. Next we have a 17 Ford GT race car, 2016 Ford GT race car, part of the Legends of Speed series, car number 4 of 10. Next we have the 16 Cadillac ASTH VR Legends of Speed, car number 7 of 10, that recolour in the red. I still like the black one better. Next we have another 69 Dodge Coronet Super B, Hot Wheels Flames, car number 7 of 10. Next we have a Kit Kart Hot Wheels Ride-Ons, car number 5 of 5. Next we have the Rise and Climb, part of the Hot Wheels 50th race team, car number 8 of 10. And we'll get that one after. We've got another custom 15 Ford Mustang, part of the Then and Now series, car number 9 of 10. Next we have a Quad Rod, now in green, the Hot Wheels Moto, car number 2 of 5. That's been out in purple. We've got a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, part of the Muscle Mania series, car number 9 of 10. This is a new for 2018 model. It's not on the card because it's international carded, but it is a new model for 2018. Next we've got the Timer Taxi, part of the Hot Wheels Metro series, car number 3 of 10. That looks a lot better than the one they did last year. Next we have another colour change. We've got the custom 01 Acura Integra GSR in white, part of the Nightburn series, car number 6 of 10. Next we have another colour change. Dodge Charger Daytona, part of the Muscle Mania series, car number 5 of 10. That red colour. Next we have another crap car, the Skull Shaker, Experimenters, car number 8 of 10. Next we have a Chevy Blazer 4x4, Hot Wheels Sports, car number 6 of 10. That's another recolour. There's going to be a lot of recolours coming now, guys. Another recolour, Volkswagen Golf MK2. And then a now car, number 5 of 10. Actually don't mind that in yellow. Next we have another Skull Shaker, Experimenters, car number 8 of 10. Next we have another Justice League Batmobile, car number 1 of 5 in the Batman series. Next we have, new to this case, Fast Feline, Hot Wheels Sports, car number 4 of 10. And I might be wrong, that might have been in the J case, but we have not seen J case. An El Viento, an X-Racer, car number 1 of 10. That's its new release. The first release was the Treasure Hunt in the B case. Next we have new Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, Hot Wheels Art Car, car number 7 of 10. In that cool decal. That car, cool decal. Okay, next we have the Eruption, part of the Experimenters, car number 10 of 10. Next, the HW450F, Hot Wheels Daredevil, car number 3 of 5, still no number. And no super in this case, people. We got the Aventador Moira Homage, part of the Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 6 of 10. Let's just take a minute to soak all that beauty in. I'll be looking for them everywhere. Excellent. Hopefully I'll find the super too. Okay, next we have first colour change for the Stingrod, AK's Treasure Hunt, part of the Dino Riders, car number 3 of 5. And another car where everyone's going to be looking for, the Lotus Esprit S1, part of the Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 7 of 10. And that's sick black and gold. That is just magic. Okay, that's the first half of the case. Let's have a look what the bottom half of the case has to offer. Okay, we have another colour change. The 16 Mercedes AMG GT3. Next we have another 2018 Ford Mustang GT, Muscle Mania, car number 9 of 10. Sorry, that one was, no, that's right, that'll be another one. Okay, next we have the 15 Ford F-150 Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 6 of 10, in that white now, another colour change. Next we have Hot Wheels Glow Wheels, car number 10 of 10, the Cyber Speeder. Next we have, excellent, another Rise and Climb Hot Wheels 50 Race Team, car number 8 of 10. I reckon they're going to be pretty sought after too this year, people. Just heads up on that one. Another colour change, the 69 Dodge Charger 500, part of the Muscle Mania series, car number 6 of 10. I think I like the blue one better than that one too. Okay, next we have the white 96 Nissan 180SX Type X, part of the Nightburn series, car number 7 of 10. Next we have the 2015 Ford Mustang GT Convertible, part of the Muscle Mania series, car number 2 of 10. That's pretty cool, that one. Next, the Rally Cat Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 5 of 5 in orange. Another colour change for that one. And we've got the Treasure Hunt for the case, Hot Wheels Fun Park, car number 4 of 5, the Bump Around. Pretty cool, Treasure Hunt. Keep an eye out for that one. Next we have the Mazda REPU, the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, car number 1 of 10 in a new colour change, white. I think I like the red one better, but anyway. Different strokes for different folks. Another 15 Ford F-150, Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 6 of 10, another colour change. The K&N truck. Next we have A double demon. Dino Riders, car number 4 of 5. Thank Christ there's only 5 of them in the set. Next, oh beautiful, we've got the 71 Porsche 911. Nightburn's car number 10 of 10, and that's a colour change. The red on the bonnet's now blue, and the blue on the base is now red, and it's got gold wheels now, so that's awesome. I like that car. We've got a Pawn Audacious Checkmate Series, car number 7 of 9. I like that purple Pawn. I believe that will be coming out in white soon too. Excellent. We've got another Lamborghini Countach pace car, Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 9 of 10. That's second one of them, that's great. The Fiat 500, Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 2 of 5. Fandango, part of the Checkmate series, car number 5 of 9. No comment. Another Mazda REPU, Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, car number 1 of 10. A McLaren P1, a Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 4 of 10. Not too bad in that white. Some people appreciate the white. A Glow Wheels, Hot Wheels Glow Wheels, car number 3 of 10. Aristo Rat. Like the Glow Wheels, always like the Glow Wheels. Now, this one I got wrong before. 16 Mercedes AMG GT3, Legends of Speed, car number 6 of 10. Now I got it right. Another Hot Wheels Daredevils, 70 Chevelle SS Wagon, car number 1 of 5. That's not a Zamac model, that's grey. Next we have Hot Wheels X-Racers, Clear Speeder, car number 8 of 10. And we've got another 16 Cadillac ATS VR, Legends of Speed, car number 7 of 10 in that new red. Red will grow on me. Oh, beautiful. We've got the custom Ford Maverick, factory fresh, car number 4 of 10. And that beautiful dark blue with the gold rims. Gold 10 spokes. That is mint. Love that car. I like that one better than the white one. That's a colour change. Trackhammer Hot Wheels Robots, car number 1 of 5. Okay, that's pretty cool. Another crap car, Buns of Steel, Fast Foodie, car number 5 of 5. That can go back. We've got a 69 Dodge Charger 500, Muscle Mania, car number 6 of 10. We got another exotic, Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 10 of 10. No second Lamborghini. A 2016 Ford GT Race, Legends of Speed, car number 4 of 10. In its new red colour. And another Lamborghini. We've got a 52 Chevy Hot Wheels Metro, car number 4 of 10. I'm glad to have another one of them. Beautiful. We've got, oh thank Christ, we've got one of these. A 10 Pro Stock Camaro Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 5 of 10. The Moon Eyes, beautiful, love that. And we've got, oh this is pretty cool, the Baja Hauler Hot Wheels Metro, car number 2 of 10. I'll actually keep that one, that's a pretty cool model that. Cool graphics on the side. Awesome. We've got another 10 Pro Stock Camaro Moon Eyes Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 5 of 10. Soak that in. Beautiful. And we've got, last but not least, a Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR Nightburn car number 6 of 10. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so I can do some more unboxing videos. And check out all my other posts and hunts. Keep hunting guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.